And new at 11 o'clock, a 12-year-old narrowly escapes a kidnapper walking home from school in Santee.
And 10 News reporter Anthony Purra is there live. And Anthony, the suspect told the boy his parents had sent him.
And investigators say that man was just flat out lying. That boy was walking on this street when he was approached. When school gets out, this street is normally filled with kids, so this has parents and neighbors around here very concerned. People living along Riverwalk Drive are now keeping an eye out for a white F-150 pickup truck. Deputies say someone driving one tried to kidnap a 12-year-old boy. The boy was walking home from Rio Seco Elementary School around 3:15 this afternoon.
I have, niece and nephew, young in age, just like the kids that would be attending the school here. So
for Juan Hernandez, it's an eye-opener.
It's kind of crazy because you hear about this stuff happening, but you don't really think about it happening in your area.
The driver told the boy he was sent by his dad to pick him up. The boy didn't buy it and instead ran into a nearby apartment complex. Investigators confirmed the boy's parents didn't send anyone for their son. The suspect, described as a tan white man, looked to be in his 40s, stubble on his face, wearing a Hurley baseball cap and a white and blue plaid shirt. Rio Seco Elementary sent out this email to parents explaining what happened, reminding them to remind their kids that if they are approached by someone that they do not know, they should not interact with the person and to go to a safe place nearby.
I think being vigilant and either at least having them set up with other parents where they can walk with friends and big groups and stuff, trying to avoid that whole solo situation.
And according to that school email, deputies will be upping their patrol in this area. We're reporting live in Santee. Anthony Purra, 10 News.
Anthony, thank you.